Are your pavers looking dull, dirty, or overrun with weeds? If so, it's probably time for a professional clean, and Superior Exterior Cleaning has got you covered. Ever thought of DIY pressure cleaning? Well, it's hard and messy work, and often the results aren't exactly what you hope for. That's why leaving it to the pros makes all the difference. Our expert team specialises in pressure cleaning for pavers, driveways and patios across Adelaide. We safely remove ugly mould, dirt and years of build-up, restoring your pavers to their former glory. But cleaning is just the first step. We can also re-sand the joints to stabilise your pavers and slow down the return of weeds, ensuring a long-lasting finish. To protect your investment, we can also seal your pavers to add stain resistance, a subtle shine and make maintenance easier, keeping your outdoor spaces looking amazing. Clean, stable and protected, that's the Superior Exterior difference. Ready to transform your outdoor spaces? Contact Superior Exterior today.